So, here in Traveloka, we have a connecting flight which is Manila to Hong Kong and Hong Kong to Israel. And yung pinili lang natin is business class since yung first class is hindi siya available. And ayan, pinili lang natin yung ticket type natin, and yun nga yung business class. Okay, ayan yung total for 1 pax. And ayan yung details, title and miss, since single naman and not married, and name with middle initial or middle name, then last name. Okay, ayan. Tapos, date of birth and nationality. Tapos, yung passport number, since wala pa akong passport, ginamit ko lang is yung birth date ko for example. Okay, ayan, nationality, Philippines, and yung country issue natin is Philippines din. Okay, ayan. Okay. Philippines din yung country issue, then yung sa passport expiry date. Since wala pa akong passport and wala pa akong idea about expiration date ng passport, nag-random picking na lang ako ng date, month, and year. And of course, another contact details. Ayun. Then email. Okay. Then after that, continues to payment na. And after continuing to payment, nag-book again tayo ng Jordan to Hong Kong, then Hong Kong to Manila. Pabalik naman dito sa Manila. And since solo traveler nga tayo, 1 adult lang, and yung seat class natin is business class pa rin since hindi nga available pa rin yung first class. Okay, ayan. Pa-fast forward na natin ng konti. Since after nito, ganun lang din, fill up ka lang ng contact details and your information details. And syempre, pipili ka ng date and month, and pipili ka lang din ng time ng flight mo. And ayan, pipili ka rin ng iyong airlines. Okay, fast forward natin ng konti since parehas lang din to ng pag-book sa nauna, which is Manila going to Israel. And now, dito ulit tayo sa Traveloka and magbo-book naman tayo ng hotel for vacation. And ang pinili natin is Royal Beach in Israel, and 6 nights siya and 1 adult and 1 room. And maghahanap tayo ng, ayan, yung napili nating hotel. And 5-star din siya, which is good kasi yun yung kailangan natin. Ayan, mamimili lang din tayo ng room. And pipiliin natin is yung with free breakfast. Ayan. And then, lalagay lang natin yung contact details natin para makapag-book tayo. Yung name natin, email address, and number. And pa-fast forward natin siya ng konti para medyo mabilis. And after natin makapag-fill up, pwede tayo mag-request din dito. Ayan, i-check lang natin siya. Then, ayan na yung price details and continue to payment.